Hey everybody, this is Dr. John with Zova, and Mai is going to be our lovely model today. Today we're going to talk about plantar fasciitis and heel pain and some little things that you can do to help yourself when you're at home. So here at the clinic we always look at all the joints of the foot and make sure they're moving well, especially the heel. If you have an extra pain, always come in and see us, but these are some things you can work on at home. So Mai is first going to show us how to roll out the tissue on the bottom of the foot using a lacrosse ball. So Mai, I'll have you go ahead and put your foot on there. So what you want to do is you start with the ball out by the toes. You put enough pressure where you feel a little bit of kind of, not necessarily pain, but you can feel the muscles getting worked out. And then you start to roll it. You'll start out by the toes and then slowly work into the middle of the foot, and eventually you'll roll all the way to the heel. This is a great thing to do first thing in the morning, especially if you're having that pain first thing in the morning. And I usually recommend doing this for about 2 minutes. If both feet are hurting, just roll out both feet. So besides working on the tissue at the bottom of the foot, you also want to stretch out the calves. So now Mai is going to show us some calf stretches. So what we want to do here is you want to keep the back foot, which will be the foot that we're stretching, you want to keep it perfectly straight. So don't let your toes turn out. And then what you want to do is keeping your knee straight and your hip straight. You want to rock your face towards the wall. So normally you'll do that 10 times. Then what you want to do is you want to make sure that that calf is stretched out in all directions. So then Mai, you'll bring your nose to your left hand, and she would do that 10 times. And then you'll bring your nose to the right hand, and you do that 10 times. And then what you'll do is you'll actually turn your shoulders to the left as you rock forward. Good, that stretches it. Then you'll turn to the right. So you would do all of these 10 times. And when you stretch your calf with the knee straight, you're stretching one of your calf muscles, but then there's a deeper, quite a few, that you can only stretch with the knee bent. So then Mai, you'll bring your foot up a little closer to the other one, you'll bend that knee, and you'll do the same stretch. So we'll rock forward 10 times, then you'll rock towards your left hand 10 times, and then towards the right hand 10 times, and then we'll rotate to the left. There you go. So you do that 10 times and then to the right 10 times. So doing this at least twice a day, especially first thing in the morning, can really help reduce that plantar fasciitis pain. All right, thanks everybody.